your side there. From the boy has a imagine being an adult and then you yourself as an adult need adult supervision. Brother. My fingers are blue. Huh? I'll go find out what took place. Send help. Ting jiggy, ligity. When you're supposed to get the video I want to see, before that one yeah, when you're supposed to get the video there from when, but then the problem was the laptop never did a render how it's supposed to render, and the file is too big or long, so it take up a whole heap of time. But on a get it, give thanks for that. What I do right now, I did to start back trading, so that's what I do. JPS just take away light, crosses them. So I'm start back trading, so I just make a video right now and make people know say I am trading, and if they want to use the broker that I use, then them can download it from the link in the description. I'm not try to make them too long because I don't want it to be as the clips, like for the vlog, I don't want them to be too long, so I go all 30 minutes again. Even though I know some people don't mind them thing there. I think I'm gonna do more like food stuff on the vlog them too. Right down a little list of things that I want to accomplish. The first on the list of the task for today is to open a second trading account. So I did that already. I sort that out. Oh, hold on there. When I say that, this is a whiteboard people when we make. This are some graph paper will feel like picnic, and it two side. I write on the next side, but I don't really want to show no what I go on the next side yet. I just some things I'm writing out of my head. I don't really want to divulge them yet, but it have the plastic where originally coming on. Then I just line it with some cardboard and use glue, Gorilla Glue. They have some use that to tape it up and lock it in. And the marker them we have now, them come off with water. But if you say K2K, isn't it? Take it, believe it, and live to achieve it. Also, I writing that, yeah man, I writing right. And then for if you get it off now, we just wipe it off with a piece of wet cloth. See me? See that? Easy. Wipe it off with a piece of wet cloth. Yeah. And my whiteboard is functioning again. Look at that. Eh? Beautiful, eh? See that? You see that? Away that. So that is one little project that is done. I have a whiteboard now, you know. It will do for the purposes that I need it for until I have to go upgrade and them thing there. But it do what it's supposed to do now. The only thing I have to change, I'm not going to use the cloth one to see me use. That's just for demonstration purposes. I'm going to get one of the sponge them. What did I tell you about? The sponge I'm going to use wash dish and use that as the thing for clean it off. So while I try to figure out, I don't know what I'm going to do today, but I have a little idea in mind. I see if I can go up on the road and try to execute it in terms of getting the stuff we need to make the thing what I want to make. Just showing them like a thing I like. When time I don't know nothing to do, flick on some yardy YouTubers, you don't know, Travis, Godfather, you see me? Remember you know, I create content, but I also consume content. You know what I mean? Now, when I don't know nothing to do, flick on YouTube on the TV and just go through, you see me? Mad thing, man. Hiya, how are ya? Boom, we got this, and this. And secret ingredient. We're going to do some ugliness. Let us try to make a scented candle. Why not buy one? Because probably can make it yard. I mean, you know, forward. I did learn this back in high school. So you can melt candle and My problem is now I never really want to break it so that the wick get frigged, but I try to break if you save the wick. We just want to break if you make sure say it fall up in this. because me I gotta reuse the wick them, you understand? And test how we do. How they use this for again? Oh, was it? You know what I'm remember? I did tie and dye where I do. I will put the wax. I remember, you know, brother. I don't remember, you know. But yeah, when them melt down now, I'm gonna take out the wick so that they can reuse it. I just broke down 3 for now. 3. Right? I'm not trying to make a big candle. I just want something small, test the waters and see like if it gonna work. Yeah, so I heat some water and then put this in there and then boom, when it melt, alright, we check back. As quickly as it went on the fire, same so the wax melt, you understand? So now I'm gonna use a little stick to fish out the string them, because remember I have to recycle and use them again. So I'm gonna do that here now. And then line up a little thing for the thing. Take out the strings, right? Now I'm gonna drop a little color in there. Them little sit there once the water from, I don't know if that gonna affect it or what. But let's see, we're gonna drop like a color in there. If I can just reach over here and we don't need a lot of color, because you know the color thing is very potent. I think we have a problem. Maybe because the candle oil base or wax and water now mix. I must see water color in this. Alright, so the aspect of adding the color to the wax has failed. Let's see if adding the scent to it are going to make the situation any worse. Then we are going to pour. Adding the secret scent, you know. I know the color want disperse. But you know, do nothing else. That's all it I do. Pour fast, you know, because as quickly as them things are sitting there. Shit. Fail. Now I have to pour carefully. Interesting. So while our second run is cooling off, I am going to try and figure out how to get all this blue off of my hand. Because if police see me right now, they would have swear some just done choke out a smurf. And me couldn't tell them say Anna so you go. Because the evidence is all over my hands, man. Because I just done box down a couple blueberry. I try to clean me hand. After the failure that took place, I am proud to report that we may have had, what is this? Some success. We do it. We do it. It's still kind of warm. You know, fully like dry yet, which is weird because why it takes so long to cool down. And in the middle, kind of cave in a little bit. Don't know what go on. Like me, I get the fragrance of the secret ingredient from it. So hopefully when we light it up now and it start do its thing, it will scent up the place. 2 attempts, we come out with something. My problem now is to figure out what kind of dye for really use so that the dye mix out into the wax. I will try to update you. Maybe that will be later on in the night. Or maybe tomorrow. But when it cool down and set it ablaze, I'll let you know if the fragrance is being given off. And also, if you're a child, please do not try this at home. As you can see, I'm a grown man and I needed adult supervision. So if you're a pick me and you're going to try them things, then make sure the appearance around it. Because I have to wax on something for up with here. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button and I will do more nonsense. Put myself at risk and fail and become successful for the purposes of Uno. You see me? Take care of yourself and subscribe and tell people say, yes, I'm there. Because I can't upload one and give it too crazy extra. Oh my God!